how you sleeping tonight?
Comfy as hell.
Show everybody real quick. Just like that. Damn, that boy looks so comfortable. He got room.
Homeless. I'm about to put on some sad music. I'm about to write some poetry and then daydream about Mr. Pickle.
Oh, that's so cute.
Good night.
Oh my god!
Oh, guess where we at?
Your mama.
Oh my god, he's at my mama's house. We are at my mama's house.
Technically, yes.
Well, not technically. We're at my mom's house. My parents' house. Finishing up the Celica. We are about 99% of the way there.
98.
98% of the way there. Only thing we're missing is putting, Marco's doing the CD axle stuff over there.
Yes.
I gotta hook up the distributor and put a little spark in the engine. And then I gotta put the bracket for the alternator to tighten that a bit, show up. And then a battery. And if all goes well, put that in big bold letters. If all goes well, the car should start up just fine and we should be zooming and grooving. Zooming and grooving.
Zooming and grooming.
Grooving.
We're getting married? You and me?
Anyways,
tonight?
if everything...
In bed?
If everything...
Gay butt sex?
If everything goes well, we should be on the road with this Celica by tonight. Hopefully to Retro.
Shout out Retro.
Retro. If everything goes well. Got the bracket right here. We are missing a battery. We're probably going to rip it out of that Celica.
Little old red. Why would you do that?
That's a good question. Why would I do that? Because that car ain't got no reverse, ain't got nothing. Anyways, I would tear out any part of that car to fix up my old original Celica.
Damn, bro.
Yeah, she's Frankenstein. Look at her.
Oh, Pt.2 in the bag.
Anyways.
Okay.
You're not in this episode. But anyways, yeah. So
not too much left.
I'm feeling pretty excited right now. I'm trying not to get too excited and be like, and then, get my hopes up, because I want to be realistic and be like, oh, it's probably not going to run tonight, but it might run tonight. So we got maybe 2 hours before Retro, I would say. That's what my watch is telling me right there. So we're gonna bust some ass a little bit. I'm about to put the distributor cap on with this little spiky walkie. I'm trying to find the bolt that goes in here, that goes down there.
I got you. There you go. 12 more.
Yeah, I'm sure that's enough space to bolt up down there, Marco. You're so right, Marco. Shout out to the hole I put, the massive hole I put in the first Celica engine. Yeah, that's what can I say? I got a need for speed, baby.
You got a lead foot, boy.
Yeah, but oh look, I don't think I've seen these before.
Oh yeah, nobody's ever seen these cars.
These are the other Celicas.
That's the original
the Celicas are here.
Celicas.
So there's Celica number 1, first one we ever bought. Celica number 2, second one we ever bought. Celica number 3. Celica number 3, third one we ever bought. Celica number 4, fourth one we ever bought, and then the 5th Celica over there. So we got bam, 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 bam.
And then the 6th Celica.
Marco, you stop that right now. I'm gonna have to fire you.
Okay.
And the 7th Celica. Anyways, yeah, that's all the Celicas. Oh wait, I'm not gonna put this on till the Celica's done, but I lost it. No, wait, put the camera away. So the guy who originally had that Celica, that one, he painted all the trim white, all this rubber trim, this shit, he painted it white. See, you see the difference? This is black, that's white. I think he just hates black. Anyways, he painted this OG piece white. For some dumb reason, he wanted it to not say Celica. But the second I get this car on the road, I am granting it the title of Celica. And we'll go right
now it's just a Toyota.
Right now it's just a Toyota, but once it gets on the road, good enough. Once that motor starts firing up, it'll be a Celica.
Imagine if that bitch just broke right now.
We have it broken right there. Look at the windshield. So, it says Celica. We actually broke this. When it got in the accident, it was totally fine, and then we took the bumper off and broke it. So this is it. The moment of truth. Literally, all that's missing is Marco putting in oil. Okay. I was like, where's the oil cap? That's what happened the first time that fucked it up. I was like, no. Okay. Marco puts that oil in, and then I'm turning the key. We're seeing what happens, cause
That sucks because I'm not putting the oil in. Here.
4 quarts. So just leave a quart in there. You want a funnel? Nah, he a big boss. If Marco fucks this up, I'm killing him.
Don't make me laugh.
I'm not making you laugh. That was a serious threat. Okay. Oh, he's going home. I'm sending him home.
Where, to Mexico?
Yeah. You're going back to your home country. Do I keep my baby?
Ah!
Oh, my bad. I didn't put 2 and 2 together, bro. I just saw you dirty and I was like, I gotta clean my baby up. Marco slaved away all day. Marco saved away all day helping me do this. That's my baby right there. This is why Marco is my best friend. We got a little hello from the big booby lady. It's Marco's girlfriend right there. Oh my god. He's such a god at this. He's so perfect. Look at the shrimp. Chicken nuggets. Oh no, what is it? How does it go? Macaroni?
With the chicken strips?
That's good enough, I think.
The whole thing in it. Fuck, that's
good enough. That's good
if it's
enough.
missing oil, we'll pour more oil.
Yeah.
Clean it up.
Let me dad her up right here for you.
Hey, Chris. Don't forget the oil cap.
I start getting beaten up. It's not even the flashbacks of my car breaking. It's just that time that she who shall not be named was in.
She who shall not be named.
Fuck yeah.
Boy who shall not be named.
All right. Okay, maybe there's one more. Now we gotta find some more wire. So, in theory, when I touch this wire here and connect it to the power, the car shuts fire. Do the windows work? Yeah. Oh, that one switch didn't work over here. Okay. Wrap it around right here real quick.
Watch where that wire swings.
Okay. This is the moment of truth.
Oh, let me back up a little bit more. Ready?
Huh. Interesting. I just want to remind everyone, we're dumbasses. Don't do the shit we do.
Professionals. We're professional dumbasses.
Professional dumbasses. We make dumbassery look like we know what we're doing, but don't do what we're doing. Right?
I'm hearing something. Oh. Fuel line. Unhook the battery.
Yeah, see, it has a little hole for fuel to go through.
So it's supposed to go to a certain amount, right?
I guess it like reads it or something. I don't know, guys. I don't know about cars. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. Okay, I just happen to be able to put a motor together. I don't know what any of it does. Okay. Hey, I want to reiterate what I just said. I don't know what the fuck this shit does. I just know how to put a motor together.
Should we try to dry some of this gas off?
Yes, we really should. We really should. It's like moment of truth, part 3.
We grounded it out.
We grounded it out. We found out. We found out our dumbassery. Okay, so this should be it.
Fuck.
Please. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It was doing it. Give it a little smackaroo.
All right.
Okay.
Please work.
Okay. Oh, let me put the fucking. Take the headphone. Come on. Come on. It's catching on the bottom. There you go. Okay. Last time it took me and my dad a while to get it started. I'm not seeing spark. It's not fucking plugged in. The distributor cap isn't plugged in. Oh my fucking god, are you serious? Yeah. This is what a real man wears, car high. Anyway, let's get into it. So this is the first try? First try? Okay. Hey. That was a fluke, okay? That was a fluke. Okay. Shouldn't do it again. Well.
There's no spark plug in there. That's what.
I bet Marco forgot to put the spark plug in. Oh, is that how you have sex? I don't know.
Yeah, it's just two guys touching tips.
Two guys? My mom said.
Your mom was wrong.
Oh no. Anyways, Marco forgot to put a spark plug in.
Where's
that should just blepped out. The spark plug bolt or fucking.
I got it right here.
Look at that boy. How'd that work?
I'm trying to stay decently clean because I don't feel like taking a shower.
Yeah, 2 hours before you have to go.
Yeah. Your boy's busy today. It's my little sister's graduation. I'm so proud.
Oh, congratulations, Jade.
Congratulations.
I don't know. I'm ratchet it. Oh my god.
Gotta play with it a little.
Is that how you jack off?
Sure.
You want a real man to do it?
Shut up, Chris. You also struggled doing this yesterday.
Not true. Cool.
It looks a lot nicer now
Cool.
because it was really, really dirty. Look how that's how it's supposed to look.
Yeah, that's true.
And it was black. So
What's wrong with it being black?
black is whack.
Alright, anyways. Let me turn the ignition. Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is how you turn on the car. Yeah, get her going. See what I can do. Alright. Oh, it popped out.
It happens to the best of us.
It does. Sometimes, you anyways.
So we swapped out the rotor because that's what
Oh man, I thought I could get the rotor low key. I thought I could like whip it out your hands like Batman or something. Anyways, continue.
it's because I'm brown. That's what the old rotor looked like. Not what we want it to look like. So
Come here. I want to show the viewers our pristine connector conditions. Look at that. Absolutely. That's how you want to have your car, you know?
Like that one?
Yeah. And look at our distributor cap. Everything in here is mint. We're working with mint parts and everything, you know. Try number 1
and a half.
None of them counted up until now. And if this one doesn't work, it doesn't count either. Oh, there's spark!
Let me see.
Yeah, look. You see that?
Yeah. All right. So completely different day. It's been a lot of time. I was sick in between then and now. The car was running. It doesn't drive yet because it had a couple little quirks that we needed to figure out. And we think we're at the point where we did figure them out. So hopefully these next couple clips is us starting it. We were missing a couple things that were plugged in, a bunch of little stuff that we just did off camera because there's really no point of, filming all of that. But for the most part, I think we got everything we needed done. So hopefully we'll be able to start it really soon, and hopefully it'll be running and driving really soon. A word?
Oh, word.
A word.
All right. This the one. This the one.
This is it.
I happen to be wearing the same shirt I wore from I think the last clip. Even though it's like 4 days later, right?
Yeah, something like that.
It's almost a week later, but I just happened to put on the same shirt. All right, starting her up. Oh, yeah. All right, look at the gas. Oh, shit. Too late. You ready? You ready?
Oh my god.
That's why the ladies love the tongue action. You gotta spell the alphabet. A. B.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, no. It's everywhere.
That's it. It's right there.
Oh, you're right. I get carried away sometimes.
First official test drive of the Celica. Oh, oh. All right, guys, watch this. I have telekinetic powers.
Okay. Okay.
Hear that?
Ooh, take it easy, buddy.
Any weird smells?
Not that I can smell.
straight into third, but
Look at that. 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Oh yeah. 2 at the same time. Never before happened. Look who showed up. Look who fucking showed up finally. Oh my god. Oh my god.
back from the 8, you know, south side game. We up on the north side. You know how we do. Oh, bro, what happened? My lady, my bad. I can
There's the other one.
dirty slut. Ah, that was worth a shot.
I always